Welcome to Ehub tutorial for total cleaning. This application is only for Apple and Android, so let's get started. First, go to your Apple App Store or Play Store on Android and type on the search bar the word Ehub. Click on the icon right side and download the app. Once the app is on your phone, open it and enter the following information. The user ID always is going to be your employee ID number. In this case, let's use 5918 as an example. The password will be the word employee, capital E, and your ID number. Finally, enter the website, which is astotalcleaning.teamehub.com, and click Go. Once you're in, it is going to ask you for a passcode, which is 1234, and re-enter passcode. Allow notifications so you will notice when the company sends you any important message. Then accept agreement. To register your hours is very easy. Go to Team Time. If you're studying, select Shift Start, confirm it, and select your job number. And you have to do the same thing once you finish your shift by selecting Shift End. Guess what? You are all set.